Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Vanguard versus Modern Warfare 2. We'll dive into what makes each game unique, from their core mechanics to the variety of content they offer. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which experience aligns best with your preferences. Let's explore the key aspects of both games to give you a clear picture. When it comes to gameplay, Vanguard often feels more arcade-like, with a quicker pace and a lower time to kill. Movement is generally more fluid and forgiving. Modern Warfare 2, however, leans into a more tactical approach, rewarding careful positioning and strategic engagements. Its weapon handling often feels more grounded, requiring precise aim and control. These fundamental differences create distinct combat experiences. Looking at content, Vanguard brought a World War II setting with a strong focus on multiplayer and a unique zombies experience. Modern Warfare 2, on the other hand, delivered a compelling narrative campaign and introduced the popular DMZ extraction mode. Both titles boast deep weapon customization systems, allowing for many unique loadout combinations. The variety of modes and maps available has evolved for each game. Ultimately, deciding which game is better depends entirely on your playstyle. If you enjoy high-octane, fast-paced action with a lower time to kill, Vanguard might be your preferred choice. However, if you favor a more deliberate, tactical experience with a focus on realism and strategic engagements, Modern Warfare 2 will likely resonate more. Both offer unique strengths, so consider what you value most in a shooter. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.